Simon out there. Well done, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we had a lad here, about 6'4" of him, standing alongside our Andy, and there's another Andy there, Andy Johnson, his name is. What he can't do with his helicopter ain't worth knowing. You watch. He is so good.
Mom. Yeah, Mom.
So clever, this boy. He's about 18 now, isn't he? About 4 years, I've said he was 18, yeah. But he's really about 29. But this helicopter, what he does, throws around the sky, is just unbelievable. I mean, I've never, in all the years we've watched him do this, he's never had a crash, has he? Oh, was it? Did he crash? Oh, but, yeah, my son has just said, yes, it was a woodbound, he's still got the trousers to prove it. Right? Hey, he's so clever though, and he's a very, very nice, quiet lad, except when he's drunk.
Where did he go?
Can you believe it?